Which program today? Which program? Which program? Which program we should do it today? QuickSort. Okay. Right. QuickSort program. Today we'll do it. So I'll show you the program. Program number 7. So read the question, what it says. Sort the given. Can you able to see the window? Question? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So Sunil, can you read the question? Can you read the question? Hello? Sunil?
Yes, sir.
Read the question.
Sort a given set of elements using a quick method and determine the time required to sort the element. Repeat the experiment for the different values of n. The number of elements in the list to be sorted and plot the graph of the time taken, vice versa n.
Yes. So sort the given elements using quicksort method and determine the time required to sort the elements. Repeat the experiment for different values of n, the number of elements in the list to be sorted, and plot a graph of the time taken versus n. So second part I have done it already. So graph, you know how to draw it. Now using the quicksort method I have to do it. So quicksort algorithm already I have told you how it will be working. So just example I will show you what example we have done it. Quicksort going to 2. Same example I'll take. Right. Same element I told you in the class also. Now how to write the code, that's what we need to write it. The same example, we have done it already, but now we have to write the code. So here also I told you any programming, no need to by heart the code. So how to write the code, just tell me, take one example, and after taking the example, how to write the code. Now you take the same example, 5, 3, 1, 9, 8, 2, 4, 7. This is what you have to write it. So once you write this, this is nothing but the array. Let me take A. So write the array of these values. So this is nothing but the you can make the partitions something like this. This is called A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, A of 5, A of 6, A of 7. So can you able to see this? Right. So can you able to see this now? 5, 3, 1, 9, 8, 2, 4, 7. So once you do this, now you have to write the code. So I told you, you have to make the partitions. So how to make the partitions is nothing but, so here, see here, seeing you are making the partitions. So up to here is one partition, here is one partition. So now how to make the partitions is nothing but, so the function is void, write it this one, void quicksort. You have the elements int a array size. The starting location is called the low and the last location is called the int high. Okay, still I have to write the bigger one. So now you see here. So once you write I value is nothing but the low value, j is nothing but the high value. So once you do this, what will happen? You have to write the function. How to write the function? If, let me say, this is called the I value, this is called the j value. Correct? No. Now I value, either you can move up to here or j value can come here. So you can do the process, the low is less than high. So now this is nothing but the, you will be assigning I is equal, low is equal to high, j is equal to high. So once you do this, these both are same. These also both are same. So once you do this, so low value you can move up to high. So that is what you have to write the condition, low less than high. If you do this, what you have to write it is nothing but the, this is nothing but floor bracket. Oh, I'll write it once again here. So once you do this, so you have to make the partition j. See here, this is what you can see here. Mouse, I'll show you. J value is nothing but 4. So this is what the j partition you are making. How to make the partitions is nothing but you have to write the partition j is equal to, here I'll write it. So j is equal to, write it partition, what are the values you need? A, low value, comma, high value. So that means whatever you have done the operations here, first time low g, this is nothing but the first location low value, this is nothing but the high value, entire array you are passing. So once you do this, now what you have to do is, just students remember here, once you make the j value is called fourth location. So that is nothing but the element is called 4, location is nothing but 0. So now you have to call this one. So 0 to 3 only. So that is nothing but j, the 3 is nothing but j values. Now how to write the function is nothing but quicksort you will be having the a is same, and you see here low value is same, and another one is called the, once you write j minus 1. So you see here you are making the partition 4. Now you have to do the lower partition. Once you finish this, you have to come back to the upper partition. So quick, quicksort function called a comma. So you have to call j plus 1 comma high. Right. See here. Now understood this. This is nothing but the partitions of this program. So now this is called this and this is called this. Now you have to write the partition functions. Whatever we have learned last class, that partitions values we have to write it now. Now let us see here how to write the partitions. Just write the values 5, 5. What's happening this? 5. 3, 1, 9, 8, 2, 4, 7. Now what I told you, this is called the pivot element. Now this is called I value. This is called J value. This is called the I value. I'll take one more sheet because something happened here. So for us new know this writing, that is the problem. 5, I have to take one more sheet. 5, 3, 1, 9, 8, 2, 4, 7. So now what I told you is nothing but this is called the pivot element. Now this is called the location is called I. Now this is called the location is called J. Any doubt now? Now you have to write the code. How to write the code? I'll tell you now. So what I told you is 3 is less than 5. Condition is true. So next 1 is less than 5. Yes. Next 9 is less than 5. Condition will become false. Here you have to stop the values. Now 5, 3, 1, 9. This is called the I position. 8, 2, 4, 7. Now what I have to do is 7 is greater than 5. Yes. 4 is greater than 5. Condition is false. You have to write the J value. Once you write here I is less than J means you have to swap A of I comma A of J. A of I comma A of J. So you need to swap these two values. You have to swap it. So now how to swap this? Just write the condition while I is less than or equal to, while I is less than I value, you can move up to high. This is nothing but you write it low value. This is called the high value. So once you write low and high, how to write the condition is nothing but you need to write the condition while I is less than or equal to high. Low value you can move up to only high. I is less than high, and so when you are incremented, the values is nothing but A of I less than or equal to key value. So if this one it means 3 is less than 5, you have incremented the I plus plus. Next, what you have to do is reverse way. While J less than greater than J greater than key. So here is less than, here is greater than. So J is greater than key means J minus minus. That means what? 7 is less than 5, you are decrementing 1. 4 is greater than 5, condition is false, you are stopping. 7 is greater than 5, true, you are decrementing J value. Next is 4 is greater than 5, condition become false, you are stopping. Now this is the 9 is the location called I position and 4 is called the J position. These two values to be interchanged. Now what you have to do is if I less than J, you need to swap A of I comma A of J. This is what case 1. Now once again what will happen after swapping this, I'll write it 5 3 1 4 8 2 9 7. Now 4 is less than 5, true, I value will be incremented here. Now 9 is greater than 5, yes, the j value decremented. 2 is greater than 5, condition is false, and I is less than j, here also swap the values 8 and 2. So now what you have done is 5 3 1 4 2 8 9 7. Now what will happen? 2 is less than 5, yes. 8 is less than 5, false, stop the values is called I here. Now the reverse y is 8 is greater than 5, second while loop, yes. So 2 is greater than 5, so now stop the j values. Now what you have written is I is less than j, these conditions will become false. Now here is I is less than j, no, I is greater than j. So now what you have to do is swap with, this is called the pivot element. Now this and this to be changed. So now how to write the code is swap address location of A of pivot element, comma, address location of A of j. That's it. I'll write it once again here. Swap, how to take pen out, that is the problem. Address location of A of pivot, comma, address location of A of j. So pen problem, still it will take some time for us to adjust to write the problems. So now, till now here, do you have any doubts now? This is what the partitions. So last one, I wrote it here. So just to see here, partitions is equal to j comma partition of a comma low comma high. So quicksort of a comma low comma j minus 1. Just you copy it here, this one. I will show you whether the code is right or wrong. And so this is nothing but the quicksort of j comma j plus 1. Now I will show you here is here 5 3 1 9 8. This one. So now what will happen after doing this? 5 sorry 2 3 1 4 5 8 9 7. Now this is what this one. Now that is what the first function partitions. So now this is called the j value. Now what will happen? Now you have to call this function. Now how to call this function is, see here, that is what this one, a comma low comma 0 minus 1. This is what the low values and I values. Then you will be taking the pivot element, that is different. Now what will happen? J minus 1. So that is what the, here is j minus 1 means this one. Next part, next location, what you have to do? J plus 1, 8 to 7th you have to do 8. So that one, how to write it is nothing but the j plus 1 to high. So this is what the code. Do you have any doubts now to write this? This function and this function. How to write it is nothing but, do you have any doubts now? Now I will show you the code, what will happen in this case. Now gedit program 7.c. Correct. So I'll minimize this. and I'll come back to this. Now, right. So, who will call Manisha. Manisha, where is Manisha? Lata, absent. Hmm? Where is Lata? Rajeshwari, Rajeshwari.
Yes, sir.
Yes, madam. Copied code, whatever I told in the this one. This one. Have you copied?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಹೀಗೇನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಮ್ಮ. ಈ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಅರ್ಥ? How what you will do? How you will understand this code?
ಸರ್ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ.
ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತೀರೇನಮ್ಮ? ಪವನ್, ಪವನ್, ಪವನ್ absent. Srinidhi.
Yes, sir.
Right. So have you copied this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what I told you is first function is this I scribe. If you go for this void quicksort int array low comma high. So that's what here also. See here int a comma low comma high we have written. Up when you can do the process is nothing but low value you can move up to high values. Once you do this, you have to make the partition j is equal to, see here, j is equal to partition of a comma low comma high. Whatever you are taking the parameters, that one only you are doing. Now j partitions is nothing. Once you make the partitions, what you have to do? Up to j minus 1, one partition, and second partition is 1, j plus 1 to high. First partition is low to 0, j minus 1. Second partition is j plus 1 to high. So this is what the function for this. So quicksort you will be calling the same function when you have to make one partitions. Now partitions is nothing but once you see this one 5 is the partitions. How to make the partitions is nothing but you have to write the function. Now how to write the function is here 3 is less than 5, increment. 1 is less than 5, increment I value. So 9 is less than 5, stop the process. Now how to write that condition is nothing but write it. Here what I told you is I is equal to low plus 1. I is equal to low plus 1 means what will happen? Now this will be taken called the I values. So here also I have written this is called the I value. So this is nothing but the low plus 1. This is nothing but that one. So now see here, low I is equal to low plus 1. J is equal to high, no change. Key is equal to A of low. That is nothing but the pivot element. So this is called the pivot element. So any doubt now this? What you have written is?
The key is not
J not
pivot
changing.
element, right?
Not changing this.
The key is not a pivot element, right, sir?
Key is nothing but here sometimes I will, okay. So this is called the pivot element is nothing but the key or pivot both are same only. Don't worry that. Okay. Sometimes I will say key, sometimes no pivot element. So that is called the value to change that one. So otherwise I will change this also pivot element only. What is there? This. Okay. So wherever you have key, change the pivot element. That's it. Let it be the same, no problem. Pivot here also.
Sir, it holds the I values, no, sir. We initialize low to A of 1 in array. Low means after the pivot element, ith value. That is low element, no, sir.
No. First element is called the pivot element. A of low is
A
see.
pivot, first element is a pivot element, but
Ah.
lowest element is a after pivot element is a lowest element now, sir.
See, here is
You-
one second. So when you are calling this function, what you are doing 0, n minus 1 you are passing, not I. That is nothing but the first location only you are passing. 2 n minus 1 values you are passing. See here, this
Okay.
one, this statement. So when you are passing here, this is what low, this is called high. So that is nothing but the you can see the scribe. This is called the low value. This is called high value. Now you are incrementing by 1.
But you shown like low value as the
Okay.
value 3.
Right. Okay. So now is okay.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So pivot element. Now I is less than high. So I is value up to high. I can move I value is nothing but up to high. So here is I value is nothing but low plus 1. So I is equal to low plus 1. That is nothing but the I is equal to low plus 1 is nothing but this one. Now I value I can move up to here. That's it. So that is what this condition. And A of I is less than or equal to pivot element. So A of I is less than or equal to pivot element is nothing but till you get that condition incremented. 3 is less than 5, increment. 1 is less than 5, increment. 9 is less than 5, stop it. So that is what this condition. So this is called the while loop. That's what I have written it here also. Same conditions. See here, while I is less than high and the A of I is less than or equal to pivot element or key element, no problem. So once you do this, I plus plus, the reverse way is nothing but A of j is greater than the pivot element. A of j is greater than the pivot element is nothing but, so 7 is greater than 5, decrement by 1. 4 is greater than 5, no, stop the process. Now you set the conditions I is less than j. I less than j means 9 and 4 to be swapped. That is nothing but the I location and j location. See here, swap A of I comma A of j. If is it right now? If I is less than j, locations I is less than j means swap A of I comma A of j. So till you will get the, this is over. Now here also I less than, swapping over. Now in this case what will happen? I is greater than j. I is greater than j means pivot element and j location to be changed. So here is A of low comma, that is called the pivot element, whatever you have assigned here. So A of low comma, that is called the A of j. So that is nothing but the starting element, whatever you have assigned this, and this to this value. So that is nothing but the fifth location. So 2 and 5 got interchanged. That's what the A of pivot element comma A of j. So A of pivot here I have written, that is nothing but the low values. So A of low comma this values. So this is what the values we have to change it. Okay, so now return j. So once you do the j means what will happen here? So partitions you are getting, see the partitions is nothing but this one j. This is the partitions. Now repeatedly do this. So repeatedly do this means low value, this is called the j minus 1. Next one is j plus 1 to I. So that is what they will be happening here. So low comma j minus 1, j plus 1 comma I. So this is what they writing, the way of writing the code. So return j means that one. So now what you have to do is, now I'll come back here and I'll tell you the code is nothing but what will happen is, this is nothing but the low value and pivot element and incremented by 1. This is called the I location. So how to write the condition is nothing but, so first partition is nothing but, this is the low value, this is the high value, low is less than high, j is equal to partition of a comma low comma high. You are sending to the partition. Next what will happen? So calling the same function quicksort of low comma j minus 1. A is common for all the functions, and another one is nothing but quicksort a comma j plus 1 comma high, by saying this. Next is partitions, how to make it is nothing but, so this is called the low element, and low is equal to I is equal to low plus 1, and this is where the high j is equal to high. So what we are doing is, while I is less than j, so I value up to here, I is less than high, I can move it. So while I is less than high and a of I is greater than the pivot element I plus plus, that is what this one. Next one is, while j is less greater than or equal to pivot element, j minus minus decrement by 1. So I is less than j, swap these two, else swap a of the first element to the j location. That is what the locations. Write the swap function separately. How to write the swap function is nothing but take one more. For example, take coffee is there, you want to swap the two elements, means we need to take one more empty button. So that's what here also we'll be doing. One temporary variable, temp is equal to a is equal to b is equal to temp. So sometimes they will take here only one temporary variable, change it, no problem, because we are doing the pointers, you have to send the address locations, because otherwise somebody will write it here only, you can write it that also. That means what will happen, the same code whatever it is there here, this is this code, you have to write it here also, here also. So instead of writing, write it separately so that you will not get any problems. So that is what the way of writing the programs. Now what will happen, you compile the program cc 7.cc. Pivot is undefined. You have changed this, you have to enter the pivot element. Instead of key, even you can write that also, no problem, nothing will happen. Right, dot slash a dot out. So quick sort, I'll enter just 5 elements, whether it is sorting out or not, you check it out. 15, 77, 83, 86, 93. Is it sorting now? Sorting?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So
Right. So now what you have to do? You have to enter for the different numbers. So now enter some big numbers. So when you are entering big numbers, sometimes foreground, background jobs are running. So in that case, it will wait the system. So you need to wait it. This execution is stopped sometime. You got it now? You got some values. So this is nothing but you can change the write these values and this one. So already I told you how to write the x graph, minus t title and minus x, and whatever you want to write the values and j values. That is already executed, and you can execute this one. So some of the text it is there, program 2.txt. So we have written these values, and you can change the whatever you are getting according to this. So just I will change 1,50,000. I will enter it now. So same only I will use it. So copy prog 2.txt to prog 7.txt. So I hope now we have entered for the 1,53,000 rupees, 1,50,000. I'll enter that one only. Control C. Gedit. Right. Just have changed one value now, and I'll try to draw the graph for this. How it will work, we'll see. Now, we'll say, Rashmi,
So,
now what is the command to draw the graph? Huh? What is the command?
I forgot answer.
Very good. Rajeshwari, Savita, Rakesh,
Yes, sir. Minus T.
Rajeshwari, tell me minus T. Which graph this one?
Sir, this is
Which program now we are doing?
quick start, sir.
Quick start. That this should be single quotes or double quotes.
Sir, double quote, sir.
Right. So minus T over. Next minus X. X axis is nothing but what you are doing. Time or number. Minus Y. Time. Where to write the file name? Rajeshwari. First or last?
Sir,
Time. Where to write the time file name?
sir, last.
Huh? First or last?
Sir, last.
So we have given prog 7.txt. Okay. Now grab the graph. So this is what just one value I've entered it, and you try to execute your program. What are the values you are getting? You change it. That's all. So you don't write the same values because I have copied from the first file. Don't do that one, and you try to write your own values, whatever you are getting. That is what you have to do it. And any doubts if you are having, please let me know this program. Any doubt? So even if you want, you can write this command. You can write this command. You know this, how to write it also. And I'll go to the program. Just other than main program, you are having this. Now try to write it and execute the program. I'll give you 10 or 15 minutes time. You can copy it. No problem. You try to copy the program once, because otherwise you will not do it only. Copy the program and do it. All of you copy it.
No, sir.
Huh? Copy the program. No problem.
Yes, sir. Copying.
Copy it. Command also copy it. You execute this. Online it is available. Even if you don't have system also you can do it. Once you complete this, you tell me, then I'll scroll down. By the time tell me the attendance, I'll take the attendance. Register number 1,
Present, sir.
2, 3,
Present, sir.
4,
Yes, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Yes, sir.
7,
Yes, sir.
8,
Sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13, 13 absent, 14, 15, 16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
18.
Sir, 18 present, sir.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ 19,
Present, sir.
20, ಗುರಿಯಾ ಕುಮಾರಿ, 21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24, ಕಿಶೋರ್ 25.
Yes, sir.
Right. Copy it up to here.
Yes, sir.
Copy it. Partition function copy it.
ಕೊಡ್ಲುತ್ತೆ ಬೈಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಪುನಃ
26,
ಬೈಕ್
26.
ಪುನಃ ಕೊಡ್ತ
Answer attendance 26. Manisha 27.
Yes, sir.
28. 28. Nayana 29. 30.
Present, sir.
30. TD series 2.
Present, sir.
3.
Present, sir.
4.
Present.
5.
Present, sir.
6.
6 present, sir.
7.
Present, sir.
8.
Present, sir.
9.
Present,
Present,
sir.
10.
Present, sir.
11. Ravishankar.
Yes, sir.
12.
Present, sir.
Vishal.
Present, sir.
Savita.
Present, sir.
Savita.
Yes, sir.
20, sorry, 16, Shruti.
Present, sir.
15%.
17, Sneha. Spurti.
Present, sir.
Spurti. ಏನಮ್ಮ ಆವಾಗ when I called you, you didn't respond
Present,
only
sir,
you were
18.
in the class. 19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23.
Present, sir.
All right.
Sir, Gudiya, present, sir.
Guriya present.
Sir, Kishore, sir.
Right. Given. Anybody else? Copied. Write the same fashion. Code. You have to write the same fashion. Don't write everything leftmost. Don't write everything leftmost. So by seeing, you should understand where function started, where ended. So while loop, where started, where ended. So this while loop only this while loop is only this. Under this main while loop only I less than j or this one. So once it is I less greater than j means you have to swap with low first element with j and return the position also. Copied?
Yes, sir.
Just complete the partition function. See here, while it is open here, this is else statement. This is called the function statement. So like this, you should write it very clearly. Even when you are executing the program, if goes mistakes also, you can find out very easily. Code, don't write everything leftmost. Somebody will be writing that one. That is wrong. That's what when I explained algorithm also I told you how they were written. By seeing their code, you can understand under if statement what code, under else what code, under while statement what code, under function what code to be written. Copied? Now move to the swap function and main program. Write it once today. You write it because many people not executed still some of the programs. You today don't miss it. You have to execute it after finishing this. So sorting techniques today got over. Now onwards we'll be doing graph related problems. Now after the test, I'll be telling greedy technique third unit. So there you will be having Prim's algorithm, Krishkal's, Dijkstra's, the three laboratory programs are there in that. Problems also, three problems are there, three algorithms are there, three laboratory programs are there. I'll tell you that third unit, second half.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ
ಇವಾಗ ಮುಗ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಬುಕ್
ಇದೇನಿಲ್ಲ
ಬರೆಯೋದು
ಇದರಿಂದ
ನಾನು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಈಗ
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ
ಶೀಟ್ ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಕೊಡಿ ಅದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಮೂಲು ಪೆನ್ ತರನೇ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
ಇದು ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ
ಏನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗೋದು
ಬರಿತಾ ಬರಿತಾ ಅದೇ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಅದು ರೀಫ್ ನೀಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಮುಗಿದೋದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅದೇ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೇನೆ ಸರ್ I'll talk to you later. I'll show you once demo. Copied this.
Yes, sir.
You have to say once copied. You say then I'll. Copy it. Time complexities, once you write it, so that it will be easy for you to understand. Sunil, finished?
No, sir, writing.
Writing. Once you finish, you tell me.
So done.
Done.
Yes,
What
sir.
about others? Sunil, here, don't log out. I'll send mail, then you confirm it. Huh?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Notes and textbook both. No, I'll send it now, and otherwise I'll forget it. Don't log
Sir,
out. no?
and
I'll
also,
stop the
sir,
recording. Huh?
sir, and also send me the soft copy of programs, sir. If any
Not getting
mistake,
Sunil.
soft copy of lab manual, sir.
Half copy, if I give what you people will do, you will not type it only. Just copy, paste and
Sir,
execute
if
it.
we have any problems, we can.
Not,
That's
no
all, sir.
problem. You to call and tell me. You can share the
Okay,
window
sir.
and show it to me. I'll tell you.
Okay, sir.
You try to execute programs. What will happen? Soft copy, if I give you, just you will not do it anything. I'll know that. That is the reason I told you to copy today. Copy it now. You type it.
Okay, sir.
Huh?
Okay,
I have
okay.
executed. What is wrong in this program? Tell me, because I've executed in front of you people only. No, there is no mistake in
Yes.
this. And
Sir, if we are students, my sir. If you made
no,
mistake,
correct. So I'll tell you one more thing is, here is nothing pointers concept we have used here. Just one star, that's it. That also for the numbers, because we are taking the huge numbers. That is the reason. Now onwards, even will not take star also. Okay.
okay, sir.
All basics only will use it. You have to rectify the errors. End
Yes,
of
sir.
this, I'll give you if you want soft copy. Now, whatever I'm explaining, you have to copy once, then you have to execute the program. If you have any doubts, you can share the window. I'll rectify the errors. Okay.
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Now, copied all of you. Hello.
Yes, sir. Copied, sir.